till
We have
container
created card also, sir.
card.
Yeah.
Any file name you can give. We have created the card also.
Example 5. In example 5, we created, sir. Since it is big, this file happened to be big. We created in example 5.
Yes, come to the example 7 now. We will write some more card example. DIA, follow the body tag, follow the HTML. Now this file will be example 7.html. We will understand some more about the card. Follow the div, equal to row, follow the next div, class equal to call hyphen ng hyphen 12, text and hyphen enter h3 extract card example. Now this row will have little gap and before, and you can write a comment here or the row end. Row end. Class equal to row mb hyphen 4. Next, write the next line, division class equal to one hyphen 3. Keep comment here. The end. Inside the 3. Class equal to call hyphen lg hyphen call hyphen lg hyphen call lg no yeah, card card card. Okay. Card inside the card. Inside the card, we will use a card give class equal to header card hyphen header card body card footer count body and count footer. So Now after that, card header, apply the bg hyphen info text hyphen white right here, profile, card footer you have, you can write here bg hyphen dark and text hyphen white, and under the card body you can place some text. Now check this, how this card is. So this way we will copy paste multiple card and then we will get the proper look of the card. Okay, please check once. This look like this. Something I have made mistake somewhere. Card. Okay, D is missing here. Card, and here also card. D is missing. Save it. Check now. This look like this. In card footer, we have not written anything. We can write here. Read more. 3 times out. Read more. Need 3 times out. Something like this. Copy the same card and paste again if it is working. Middle one you can keep as a 6, call LG6. Call LG6. My experience call LG6. 363 combination we have made. So first is 3, second is 6, and it should be BG primary text white. Bottom should be BG success or BG danger maybe. Try once. How it's looking. Okay, ready? Let's go to the browser. Something like this. One is the 3, another one is 6. We can place one more 3 here. We can place one more 3 in the last. Okay, something like this. Create one more 3. The first 3 you can copy, paste after the 6. Color combination. Card class is same. The card class will remain same, only the color combination will get changed. So this is called my contact. Should be BG hyphen warning and text hyphen green. Text green. BG warning, text green. BG warning, text green. Check now. It will come in orange color, yellow color. We have one class, shadow class. We can apply for the card. So it will apply little shadow. For background, if you want different color, you can write here BG hyphen light and text hyphen primary, some color combination. Okay. Some color combination. Many colors are there, so you can use any background color. See, shadow got applied. The same card looking different, better. Something more better. Now in the same page, create a row and display 6 photo in one line. In the same page, this row is over now. This row is end here. So I will write a comment here, row and row end. Okay, row end here. Now what is the small task for you is, the small task for you is create another row and inside create 6 columns. Create a row, create the 6 column and display 6 photo. And send me the code also in the chat. Create a row and create 6 column and in that display the photo in each column. You can use the IMG float class that we have followed maybe day before yesterday. And waiting for your code. Waiting for your code. Check now. Hope anyone wrote. You are supposed to create a row and display the 6 photo in one line. It is not optional, compulsory. Everyone need to reply. Right? You can copy from the previous example. You can try from the previous example. At least call LG 222 you can write 6 times. No? Call LG 222 we can write 6 times. Try that. Yes, one person has sent the code. Let us see. Cool. But without this one, without class, IMG fluid, you should add the class name. We have discussed no last time. There is a class
Sec-
called IMG fluid. Add
Yeah,
the
yes, sir.
correct.
Class I have not written, but still pictures are coming, but still I have to write the class.
Here will be out of control. That will not be under the control. Okay. Photos will come, but photo will be not responsive. To make it responsive, we have to use the responsive class. Something like this. This is the code I have copied from your chat. There is some mistake. What is that? ING here for every division.
Second one is the correct one, sir. I have sent so two. Second is the correct.
This
Just have to close the bracket. That's all.
this is missing everywhere. And then we need to apply here class called ING hyphen ING fluid everywhere. Okay, ready. After this, if I run the file, I can see the list of photos here. The list of photos are coming, but there is no gap in the top. Yesterday we have discussed some class name empty. MT5. So margin top 48 pixel gap will get applied. Margin top 48 pixel gap will get applied. Top written. Check now. A space will get applied. This way. Design circle. So go ahead with the developer guide now. We can write the next class and we can implement that. Write the next class that is called button class. Button class. When we design a form, we have different type of form will be there that we'll discuss. Before that, buttons. How we can design different color combination button of different types. Let's see that. Classes for buttons. Classes for buttons. Okay. Next, after that, we can go here. We can write inside. First class is called BTN. After that, next class is called BTN hyphen primary. Okay. Next class is ETN hyphen danger, red color. Success info warning something something. We can write BTN primary danger success info warning. Right after that, primary danger success info warning. Secondary, then it's called dark. Then one more call 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. This is the one. Okay. Next we have button with border. Button with border. That is called BTN hyphen. This all you can copy paste and apply in that one outlet. Outline, not outlet, outline. Button hyphen outline hyphen primary. Yes, all, and all. Write this all. Then after that we can create one example. Yes, I hope notes is ready. Create the next file. Button.html. This much I can share in the chat also. Okay, so we can copy it here and we can paste here again. We can give the file name. You can give button.html also, or you can give again give complete as a this one example 8.html also. Both is fine. Example 8.html I have given. Will come inside. Will create a division. We have to follow the class as a row class. And inside the row class, you will follow a division. Colon and lg hyphen. Colon lg. 12 we can write text hyphen center. Now after this, we can write here on H3 bootstrap. Button example. Class equal to text hyphen danger red color and MB something 3 4 so that some space will be there in the bottom. MB4 will guide us space in the bottom. Overlay. Now this will come in red color. Right, red color is coming. Now next we need to create the buttons. So you will write here button. Maybe you can write called primary button. And ask equal to btn hyphen primary. This will come in blue color. This will come in blue color. Then keep one more called danger. Two classes we have to add. It will come in green color. Check now how it is looking. Is it coming in the blue and red color? It should come in the blue and red color combination. Something like this. Now, how many button classes we have? We can add all. Danger, success, info, warning, everything we can add here. Danger, success, warning, info. We can add all and change the class name. Success. Simple. The class names are simple only. We can remember easily. It should be info. It should be called warning. It should be called secondary. It should be called dark. Change everywhere. Danger, success, info, warning, secondary, right? Dark. Then you can check text, everything will clear and we will understand easily. Hope ready? Check now. Buttons are coming different color combination. So this many color combination. Let's come down. See how the button will look with border. So we can go here. We can come here. Bootstrap button example buttons. Example with border. With the BORDER. Ready? Let us come down. Copy this. Paste here. After that, you can apply everywhere outline. Okay. Button outline we need to add in between. Remaining all will be same. And it will look very attractive button. Border will get apply in between. So whenever you need to display the button color combination, no need to search here where all classes are there. Okay, all classes are there, we can use it. Check now. Buttons are coming with the border. Look like this. We can give some space from the top. Here empty also we can write. Empty 5 we can write. Hope ready. Check now. Now let us come to the developer guide. We'll make a next note. For what purpose? Next note will be for the when you are going to design a form, which class you need to follow. There will be some certain class to design a form. For button, you saw the class for button info warning here and all. Now for class, which one is that? Now ready? Save now. Come to the developer guide. Write the next. Classes for forms. Classes for form you can write. We have a class called form hyphen control. This class you can apply for text box, password field, email field, number field, right? Text, password, email number, text, password, email number. After that, you can apply for text area. Then you can apply for next called file. When we upload the file, for those all we can apply this. Next, we have a class called form hyphen select. This is especially for select drop down. For select drop down, we can use this. For select drop down, we can use this. Okay, hope written. Next file, example 9.html. Example 9.html. Till row we can copy and we can create the next file. That file you can give example 9.html. Example 9.html. Division is open, so get closed. Follow this. Close the body tag. Close the HTML. Write the division. Follow class equal to call icon lg icon 4. 4 we have to follow 3 times. 4 4 4. Right here a command call first 4 or middle 4 and middle 4 and middle 4 and next after that now right inside one h3 the form control class. We can write here class equal to MB3. MB3 we can write, and text hyphen primary we can write. So it will give a, or you can write here directly as a contact us. It will look meaningful text. Contact us. Okay, already now write a division. Write the class equal to MB3 because there should be some gap after this division, so that we are written the MB3. Now under this division, you will follow one label tag. Right inside for full name. After that, create one text box. Input type equal to text. Yes, and write here a class equal to form hyphen control. Form control, you should write the class name. Okay, form control as a class name. Now this form control class will change the complete check now. Text box appear with a well organized look and feel. Look at here, the very good professional look will come. You can see complete professional look will come here for the text box. Hope look similar. Yes, no should come once. No, not looking like this. One person replied. Yeah, one or two. Likhiye, you should write it. Okay. If you write no, you will get idea. See, only watching the video, only seeing the code, it's not that much.
Sir, please show the output once.
Here is the text box.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Okay, let's come now. We can add some more field. Copy this one and paste here. As we discussed, we have multiple type of text boxes. Now write this one, call it the email ID. Input type equal to email, you can add here. Okay. Input type equal to email. After that, see now this should look very clean. See how clean it's looking. Right, and next here. The password. Change type as a password. Save now.
Sir, we didn't created separate row, right? How it is coming in the separate rows?
Division we have written, no? Division, right? You saw here. Division.
Yeah.
Division. So division is a block level element. It will go to the new line.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Division is the block level element. So division will not come in the same line by default. Division will go to the new line. But where it is? It is inside the 4. See, total how many column we have? 12 column we have. First 4 is empty. Last 4 is empty. We are adding under the middle 4. So design look will come very professional. Keep one more column here. Right for email password, mobile number, input type equal to number. Add one more here, address. Set the text area. Text area open. text area close. Now come in the last, add one button as well. Focus, focus. That is called as a focus. In CSS, there is a feature called focus. Once you click on text box, shadow will get applied. Box shadow, remember? Box shadow. When we click on text box, shadow will get applied. That is called box shadow. Okay, that is called box shadow. That's called box shadow. Check now how that look. That is here. Looking complete, clean and clear. Now add a division right inside class equal to text hyphen center. You can make a note somewhere. Text center is the class that print the data in the middle. Text center is the class that print the content in the middle. Everything we can change, everything we can change. I will guide you also how to customize the bootstrap. I'll guide you how to customize the bootstrap. Just wait for 2 days. Get some idea first how to use the ready-made features, and then we will learn. We have idea on CSS. We can modify it. Register. We can write here class equal to btn hyphen success. And M2 I will write here. M2 for what purpose? If you remember, M2 will give you the margin left, right, top, bottom, everywhere. Okay, check now. Button looking clean button. See, it's look like this. Okay, now after that, add one more button here. Warning button. btn hyphen warning M2, and right here called clear. Clear. Okay, check now. See, this look like this. And okay, now based on this, we will give you some, let's sit in the middle one that will be visible clearly. From here directly you put it like this now. You have to put your hand like that. From there it will be straighter. Okay. So basic photo I'll give you. Hope you are going to work on that and you are going to do something. Okay, basic photo. So basic photo will be something like this as an assignment. All are in laptop. I will share you the photo or I will show the photo. You can take the screenshot or take the photo of photo that you will try something. Okay. Basic exactly first form what we have designed. Based on first form only, I will give you something that we take the photo of this. Take the photo of this page. Okay. Image and list group that you have covered. This is nothing extra. Image and list group that you have already seen. Take a screenshot of this. So taken the photo. Let me show you the next photo. You have taken the screenshot in mobile. This is one homework.
Yes, sir.
Let me show you the second photo. That is the basic of Bootstrap. Basic form related only. It's a form related photos only I'm giving you. So which one I should give you? Okay, 1 and 2 activity. So take the photo of this page. So taken. Let us go for the next. Next photo is this one. Similar design, but number of fields are different. One was new activity, this is called new apply. Or both are same. Hold on one second. Let me check both are same or different. New employee, oh, that was also new employee only. Activity was an activity. Both are same, new employee, okay. So two photo you got. Let's work on those two photos. Two photo you got. Please work on this two photo. Make something. It is just like the form like this what you have created. Simple form which we have created now, it is just like simple form only. You can try that.